Dude, what the fuck did we just do? What's up, guys? So I was actually planning on vlogging today, but I found some footage in my camera that I did not want to go to waste, and it's actually when I installed my doubled-in touchscreen backup camera, stereo system, all legit. I did the whole unboxing, kind of like a how to install video. It's pretty interesting and really good, I guess you can say, information for all of you that are installing your own stereo, your own touchscreen stereo on your 350Z. I found it really useful, just looking up through YouTube and trying to find basically all these videos on how to install it. I didn't really find any good ones, so I kind of made my own. Mind you that I did film this footage about a month and a half ago, and I did not want it to go to waste. But before I show you guys how to install your own little stereo system on your 350Z, I want you to stop what you're doing and like this video, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are new. Please do that, it would mean the world to us. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna show you guys this install. Panlelo touchscreen stereo. I bought this actually on Amazon. Wow, I actually like it a lot. See, this is like the perfect touchscreen. It's really simple and it comes with everything you need. I'm gonna get more into like the features when we install it. So the stereo that we did buy is it's universal. We're not exactly sure if it's going to fit perfectly, so I'm hoping we can see how much space is around it when we're done putting it in. So first thing first is we gotta take this little shift boot console. Usually I've seen on 350Zs people replace, well, they actually put the doubled in on here, the stereo in this area. We're gonna go ahead and put it in the middle. We're only making these videos to obviously help you guys, and if you guys are going to do this yourself, so we're not experts at doing this, so if we do rush it a little bit, sorry guys.
There's these two metal pieces, these plastic pieces right here on this center console compartment thing. These just slide out. See, there you go. And then there's two Phillips screws all the way inside.
Key thing that I've learned is you have to be really careful on where you place all your little screws and the little parts that you take off, and you also have to remember how to put everything back on. So for me, we're putting it in this little cubby area.
As far as I remember, we grabbed the top of this whole center console piece and we pull forward.
It's a little fucking hard.
There it is. It actually had to push some balls into it, I'm not gonna lie.
And there should be some shit right here.
I'm pretty sure these two screws.
Oh yeah, right here.
These two screws right here also need to be removed. I don't want to force it, we have to figure out
maybe
why.
There's clamps on the back right here. We're having a little trouble taking this entire piece off, but
there's a reason why. This is why you gotta take your time.
When I get stuck on a certain part or area where I'm having trouble with, first thing is first, I go on YouTube and I see how other people do it.
I come to find out that there are 4 more hidden screws in here. Let me remove these now, and then we should be able to finally remove this trim piece for the console.
Apparently I haven't learned how to work on cars and change out stereo systems watching porn.
Pornhub's there. You gotta watch it. That's all my car knowledge comes from Pornhub.com. I just removed the 4 screws that are hidden in the very bottom of this console. So now, there it goes.
Oh, there it is. Yup.
That should do it. It's like stuck under.
Is it in there?
Yeah, it's like stuck under the damn stereo.
Damn, this little thing's pretty fucking heavy. Force that shit, bruh. Let them know who's boss, bruh.
Trying, man. Trying.
So we took off like the main piece. Now he needs to disconnect the harnesses from the stereo. Bro, how hard was it to fucking remove those harnesses?
I'm breaking a sweat. That's how hard it is.
I've officially removed the stereo.
So this was right here. There's 4 screws, two here that hold this metal bracket, and there's 2 on the other side. Once you remove these bolts, this comes out completely as one piece. What I'm guessing is with the aftermarket stereo, we will reuse these brackets to mount it back in its position on this trim piece for the bezel for the unit.
And hopefully it fits perfectly here, bro.
Yeah, if not, I bet they do sell trim like frames for aftermarket stereos that will fill in the gaps, because this is like a very odd shape. So when you do buy an aftermarket stereo unit, it will come with its own harness, like so. This will go here. Next, you do have to buy a harness that plugs into the factory harness on your vehicle. Where is it?
Oh, hopefully this shit fits, or else we're fucked. So this is the tedious part. You have to literally connect every single color together. So we got a small problem. We bought this wrong wire harness adapter for the stereo. This one actually came with these 2 plugs, and we have no idea what these do. So I'm hoping our neighbor from next door, he actually, you know, owns a stereo shop, has the piece we need. And I mean, he should definitely have it. Ivan just went back there, and I'm hoping he has it so we can continue and finish. And our fucking luck, we're gonna have to go and splice this bitch up. I'm hoping we can figure out if it's gonna work with this harness or not. Don't get electrocuted, bruh. Ivan's thirsty already. Water break. Time to Frankenstein this shit. We're gonna have to take everything apart, split the wires up, go the full 9 yards just to install this damn stereo system for you guys. If you guys have a 350Z and you guys are doing all these little things that we've done to our car so far, props to you, man. Seriously, props. Ivan's like splicing these fucking wires. I'm over here feeling like I'm a doctor patient. He's a fucking doctor, and I'm asking him like, bro, we're gonna be okay, bro. We're gonna be okay.
Trying to save your life.
Yeah. Am I gonna survive? There's a reason why I call Ivan the clutch god. He's over here double clutching. I'll show you guys.
Double clutching.
Double clutching like you should, blah.
If you ain't double clutching, then you should learn how to drive stick. Let's do a little heel tough.
Oh. We made it to the stereo shop.
Hey, what's up, guys? We told about the wire harness for 350Z.
This is the one we actually needed. So we're good to go. Man, we need to get this shit to work already. Oh, there it is. There was a spark. Fuck yeah, I guess.
Oh my god.
Wow.
I've installed hundreds and hundreds of stereos. For some weird reason, this TED unit, in order to power it on, you gotta put power to power and ground to ground. There's this B+ wire. I've never seen this before. These two have to be connected like this, like so. The power from the harness goes here. Even though you have complete power running to the head unit, it will not start unless you have the antenna plugged in. I've never had this issue where I need to have the antenna plugged into power on a head unit.
What turned out to be a 45-minute job is 2 hours now because of this fucking antenna issue. Low key for like about 5 seconds, I was like, damn, we might not be able to finish this vlog. No static. All right, we got music. Damn, after driving without music or anything for 2 weeks, I'm so happy to finally hear something in this car.
I guess you can have apps like you have DVR, calendar, Adobe Reader. It's like an Android phone, like you have Google Maps.
I don't know if you guys can see, it's out of focus a little, but this is the backup camera. why I bought this new stereo, is because it comes with a backup camera, and obviously if you drive a 350Z, you have a big blind spot behind you. It's really hard to drive when you're backing up. So it actually took us about 2 hours to do the install. Wasn't too bad. It always takes a little longer when you're vlogging, and it was actually something new that we've never done as well, so another big accomplishment on our part. But I did find out like a week after that, something like a fuse went out in my something went wrong with my electrical system, and my speedometer is not working. Pretty much nothing is working on my car as far as electrical. I have no idea. It hasn't actually worked in a very long time, but I stopped driving the 350Z since. It's been like garaged behind here. What I did want to do right now is I wanted to answer some questions. I've been getting a lot of DMs, a lot of comments on my videos. I just want to answer probably like about 5 or 6 of your guys' questions. I know you guys liked that last time, so I'm gonna go ahead and answer a few of your questions. DRMP says, where can I get those headlights on my 350Z? Shout out to my boys over at Specty. They actually sent those to me, and we did a whole install video, so make sure you guys watch that as well. But yeah, anyways, you guys can go to Specty Tuning and cop yourself some black housing headlights. At Chris X Logo 321, he basically says, I love your guys' t-shirts, and where do you guys get your inspiration from? So I've been graphic designing since I was 16 years old. I've been designing for a very long time, and we actually started off designing shirts and in our own brand. Back in the day, it was more of a streetwear apparel type of line. That's something that we've kind of taken into what we do with Tuned in Tokyo. So that's one of the reasons why we started Tuned in Tokyo, is we wanted to bridge the gap between, you know, streetwear and the car industry. Basically our two passions, put them into one thing. So we got our inspiration from everything, not just the car industry. I get my inspiration from the music I listen to, the videos I watch, the movies I watch, and basically what I've grown up with. It took us a while for you guys to actually even accept us and accept the way our designs look. It took like about 6 months, but you guys are finally starting to dive into our designs and really enjoy them. So thank you guys. I see you guys rocking our stuff on Instagram. At Supermac _ says, how are your shirts so cheap? That's a very good question. So I'm gonna explain that to you guys as simple as possible. Since we used to own our own brand back in the day, and we've been in this industry, in the car apparel industry, for so long, we basically figured out how to get, you know, the best quality products at the lowest cost possible. We cut the middleman in every single way, shape, or form, and we do our own screen printing, our own embroidery, and we produce massive amounts of quantities throughout all of our products. So at Maimba552 on Instagram, he asks, I drive a Mustang. I'm planning on going to your guys' event on March 24th. Is it open to all cars? Yes. Our event on March 24th at the NOS Center welcomes all cars, Euros, American Muscle, JDM, Classics. Doesn't matter what you're driving, roll through. Registration is now open, and it's gonna be one of the best and biggest things that we've done yet with our brand as far as in person. So make sure you guys come out. It's gonna be an amazing show. Comment on this video, ask me questions, or DM me and ask me questions there. It's a pretty good way to interact with you guys. I'm actually liking this a lot. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys the Rocket Bunny kit right now that we're gonna be installing this week, next week. So I'm gonna prepare you guys for like a 4 to 5 episode of vlogs, just entirely just for this Rocket Bunny kit install. I'm actually a little worried. I heard that it's like really difficult, takes up a lot of time, and we're so busy right now. So I'm sure you guys want to see that damn kit on my 350 by now. So the winner of our giveaway is Thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to win some free merch, all you have to do is comment on this video. We're gonna pick a winner on our next vlog. So make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, and share this video with all your friends. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.
Everything I drop, flame.